Am I audible now, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sorry for interruption.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
भाई मैम म्यूट है.
मैम म्यूट नहीं है, मैम सीवियर नेटवर्क इशू फेस कर रही हैं. ओके, सो आई नीड योर कॉपरेशन फॉर टुडे ओनली. सॉरी फॉर दैट, चिल्ड्रन.
No problem, ma'am.
Fine. So let's continue. I was asking question from political parties, na?
Yes, ma'am. Main agenda of BJP.
हाँ. Okay. The Bahujan Samaj Party stand for what cause? Or what is the motto of Bahujan Samaj Party?
Ma'am, for Dalits, मतलब ST, SC, other backward classes.
Okay. Not other backward
For
class.
the upliftment.
नहीं, देखो
Upliftment of Dalit.
हाँ, ओबीसी कभी भी इसमें इंक्लूड नहीं हुए हैं ना. ओनली फॉर दलित, सिक्योरिंग द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ ऑप्रेस्ड पीपल, एसटीज एंड एससीज. गुड. डिस्क्राइब द 3 कंपोनेंट ऑफ अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. ओनली 3 कंपोनेंट ना, आपको डिस्क्राइब नहीं करना, तीनों के नाम बता दो बस.
एक्टिव मेंबर,
हाँ.
सपोर्टर्स
यस.
एंड लीडर्स.
Yes, most
Leaders.
important things are leaders, active members, supporters,
Leader.
and leaders.
Leader.
Correct. Now I'm going to ask question for 3 marks. Okay. What is a multi-party system? Why has India adopted a multi-party system? Explain. Just the same question I asked for 1 mark. है ना? So now you need to tell about the what is a multi-party system. Need to explain why has India adopted a multi-party system. Now tell the answer. Yes, Purab. Purab Jain, are you there? Phone cut. Yes, sir. Anyone of you can reply.
Ma'am, when a single party does not get a clear majority, so the new type of new type of coalition came, that is known as multi-party.
नहीं बेटा. I'm just asking what is a multi-party system.
More than 2 parties are there to participate in elections.
Yes, that is multi-party system. आपने क्या बोला बेटा अभी?
Coalition was the गलती से.
हाँ, आपने
Ma'am, coalition
गवर्नमेंट के बारे में बोला है ना. नो इशू.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, अक्षत, कंटिन्यू.
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue. Multi-party system.
Ma'am, यही बस था.
हाँ, more than 2 parties compete for power. It is known as multi-party system.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what is the reason behind that the India has adopted a multi-party system?
Ma'am, because of density
Diversity.
and diversity.
Diversity.
Yes, but now the question is for 3 marks, so we need to write, है ना, whole sentence. There is a social and geographical diversity in India. India is such a large country which is not easily observed by 2 or 3 parties, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ये आप लोग को अपने ओन वर्ड में आंसर देना ना. हाउ डू मनी एंड मसल्स पावर प्ले एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन इलेक्शंस? एक्सप्लेन विद एग्जांपल. हाउ डू मनी एंड मसल्स पावर प्ले एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन इलेक्शन?
Ma'am, pooling the booth is example of muscle power and money power also.
First of all, answer the first part of the question. The first of the question is money and muscles power play an important role in election.
Ma'am, because in our country, educated people are less and majority are poor. So what the ministers or the parties do, they give money to poor people. By exchange, they will vote them. So this is of example of
Ma'am,
money.
Yes.
ma'am, the party give ticket to that person that have too much money. So that the one who had got ticket.
Yes. The capable person, in this way the capable person do not get ticket. Good. And और बताओ. अभी मनी पार सिर्फ 2 बताया आप लोगों ने. और muscles power, this was for money power. Now muscles power. Sometimes what it happen, parties support criminals who can win elections. Yes or no? Parties support criminals who can win elections. Democrats
Yes,
all
ma'am.
over the world are worried over the increasing role of rich people and big companies in democratic politics. Got it? So these are the reason. Now you can put any example.
Pooling of booth.
Yes. And the Bihar is the best example of it. And the Bihar is best example of it.
8.
Nice. Means you people are completely prepared for this chapter. Anything, any type of question could be asked and you are ready to answer. है ना? All of you are ready to answer for this. Yes or no? Children,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Because what I am observing here कि कुछ भी पूछा जाए आप लोग यहाँ से आंसर देंगे तैयार हैं. Is there any problem in source based question, children? Or the map question? To anyone?
Yes, ma'am. मैम कल एक बार मैप का रिवीजन करवा देना ना.
कल नहीं, नेक्स्ट क्लास में मेंटी है. उसके बाद एक क्लास में आप लोगों का सिर्फ और सिर्फ पूरे होल एसएसटी में जितने भी मैप पॉसिबल हैं उसकी क्लास है. दैट आई विल.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging. Voice is
Again?
lagging.
Again my voice is lagging.
Voice is lagging.
Is it okay now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Now
Now
okay.
I am unable to fix a Wi-Fi connection here all. Okay. The next question is, चलो ये पूछते हैं. Important question है. Describe any 5 major functions of political parties performed in a democracy. Describe any 5 major functions of political parties performed in a democracy. अपने own word में आंसर करिएगा आप लोग.
Ma'am, first party contest election. Second, party put policies and programs to win election. And third, party play a important role in opposition of ruling party
To make laws. Yes.
to make party play a important role in make laws. 4 points are done. And yes, ma'am, party form and run government.
Good. And even party shapes public opinion, है ना? Parties क्या करता है? लोगों की opinion भी set करता है. Yes. What did happen in a general discussion? Many of us are followers of BJP. Some of us are follower of Congress, or other. So many parties are there. Aam Aadmi Party. So it means party shapes our mind too. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All over the world, people express their dissatisfaction with the failure of political parties to perform their functions well. Analyze the statement with arguments or give your views. The questions which I'm asked is already asked in CBSE.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
All over the world, people express their dissatisfaction with the failure of political parties to perform their functions well. Give your views or analyze the statement with arguments. सिंपल कर दूं क्वेश्चन. चैलेंजेस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज बताना है आपको. Here
lack of internal democracy,
हाँ. Agreed. Lack of internal democracy.
Family rule.
Just we
No,
discussed.
means
Dynastic
capable leaders.
succession.
Not,
Dynastic succession.
yes, ma'am.
Money and
Capable leaders
muscle
are
power.
not-
Acha, Arihan, please explain about the dynastic succession. What's the meaning of dynastic?
Ma'am, like in Congress party, firstly
Haan.
there was a Jawaharlal Nehru, then Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi.
Gandhi, and Gandhi. Yes. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Just we discuss about what? Money and muscle power.
Money and muscle power.
Yes.
Internal democracy is not there.
Ha. Right. Good. What could be the criteria to measure or reform of political parties?
Ma'am, which party, national or state?
National.
Ma'am, 6% vote in Lok Sabha election and 4 seat in Lok Sabha. Only
Or?
one party.
About the agendas? Acha, just we were talking about the shaping of mind. So anybody can tell me how do political parties help in shaping public opinion? How do political parties help in shaping public opinion?
ma'am, they put the major topics which are related to the nation so that the favor and the position can act accordingly.
Yes. First of all, the issues, है ना? Suppose in our India, unemployment is the biggest issue. वो पकड़ लिया यूथ के सामने. आम आदमी पार्टी दिल्ली में इतना पॉपुलर क्यों है? रीजन बिहाइंड दैट, उन्होंने पूरे यूथ के माइंड को कैप्चर किया. ओके, इश्यूज कवर करना. सेकेंड थिंग, दे फॉर्म प्रेशर ग्रुप्स एज एन एक्सटेंशंस. सबसे बड़ा चीज, दे लॉन्च मूवमेंट. अभी द बिगेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस इज आर फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट.
किसान बिल.
यस, फार्मर बिल, किसान बिल, जो भी है. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हमारा जो माइंड सेट है या फिर हमारी जो ओपिनियन है वो शेप करती मतलब उसको एक आकार देती कि हमको सोचना कैसे है. अभी क्या है, स्पेशली द ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन, है ना. नो डाउट 18 इज द एज ऑफ एडल्ट, पर ऐसा थोड़ी 18 साल में एडल्ट होती ही ऐसा कोई इंजेक्शन लग जाता है जिससे बहुत दिमाग आ जाए और हमको सोचने समझने की ताकत आ जाए. ऐसा होता है क्या? इट हैपेंस देशना. नो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. ओके, सो आई थिंक हमारा क्लास ओवर होने वाला है. वी हैव ओनली 1 minute इन आवर हैंड. So in a very next class we will continue.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta. Happy weekend.